Walked 1,000 roads to find your light. Through storms and shadows, you were my sight. Every step, every fall, it led me to you.
I dreamed of hands that would hold me near. Through every doubt, you quieted fear.
The stars whispered your name before I knew. And now we stand where time can't fade, a love that's built, not just made. Crossed the streams, turned broken nights into golden dreams.
With every trial, we grew stronger still.
You taught me love isn't just a word, it's in the moments, it's in what's heard. A melody that bends to match our will. And now we stand where time can't fade, a love that's built, not just made.
Forever starts today.
In your arms I'll stay. Through the highs, through the lows, we'll never let go. Forever starts today.